These corn ribs are smoky, sweet, spicy, and crunchy. The kind of snack you want to serve at any barbecue or movie night. They're messy, Moorish, and totally plant-based. Let's get into it. Start with the corn. Carefully cut each cob into quarters lengthwise. You're aiming for rib-like strips. This can take a little bit of force, so take your time and watch your fingers. Lay all the pieces out on a large baking tray.
Now let's make a smoky rub.
In a bowl, mix olive oil, smoked paprika, and barbecue seasoning. Brush the mix all over those lovely little corn pieces, making sure they're fully coated. Then sprinkle over some sea salt flakes. Roast in the oven at 190 degrees C for 30 to 35 minutes until they've curled up and turned nicely golden and crisp. While they're cooking, let's whip up a spicy mayo. Mix plant-based mayo with sriracha, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. Give it a taste. It should be creamy with a proper kick. Once they're done, plate them up and finish with a sprinkle of plant-based parmesan, chili flakes, and some finely chopped chives. Serve with the sriracha mayo on the side and get stuck in while they're hot. Crunchy, tangy, spicy, and just a little bit addictive. Let us know in the comments if you try them. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you dip.